Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by positioning the cursor at the top of the page you want to reorient. Then, use the Layout or Page Layout tab, open breaks and choose Next Page. This creates a new section beginning on that page, necessary because orientation applies by section, not by individual page. Once done, make sure the section break is correctly placed. If text shifts, undo and reposition the break at the very top of the desired page. With the cursor inside the section, go back to the Layout or Page Layout tab and open Orientation, selecting Landscape or Portrait as required. Word changes the orientation for the entire section, so you must ensure the section contains only the one page intended. Once selected, check the adjacent pages. If they changed too, you likely missed adding a following section break. Make sure margins and headers adapt. Adjust them if needed. Finish by inserting a next page section break immediately after the oriented page to isolate it from following pages. Then, verify headers and footers. Unlink them from previous or next sections if they should differ. If things go wrong, show hidden formatting marks and inspect the section breaks. A stray continuous break or missing next page break causes surrounding pages to change too. If layout still shifts, undo. Reposition the breaks precisely at page boundaries and reapply the orientation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.